For best result, it is important to carefully follow all usage and maintenance instructions in the product leaflet. Mederma Silicone Scar Sheets can be used on hypertrophic and keloid scars following injuries, burns, and surgery. Softens and visibly improves the appearance of scars in just 4 weeks. Breathable silicone technology results in increased hydration of the skin, ensures that the damaged, scarred skin recovers more quickly. Relieves the skin's natural tension, and helps existing scars become thinner, less red and more flexible. Every Mederma Silicone Scar Sheet is self-adhesive, washable and durable for up to 21 days with proper care. #1 selling brand in scar treatment in U.S., ERI consumption data. It is essential to clean the Mederma Silicone Scar Sheet properly, on a daily basis. This is necessary to ensure good adhesion. Guaranteed results or your money back. Top reviews from the United States. Washable. Amazing product. Washable with soap. Let it dry then reapply. It's definitely helping with healing. I like that you can cut it to size or shape you need.